Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you locate it, tap on it, and this will give us a little overlay. So from here we can start recording, I assume by tapping right here. Yep, there we go. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded, and once you're done with it, you can then click right over here. This will save the video to our Photos application. So there we go. Okay, there we go. So it's playing right now. So there we go, that's the video recording. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.